Exporting your CapCut project with Pro features, even as a free user, is quite straightforward. Here's how you can do it. So I have some random clips here, and let me apply some Pro features like transitions and some effects just for the demonstration's sake of this tutorial. Dropping off the Pro effects into the short clips that I have here, like so. Once I click the export button above, it will prompt me that I use some Pro features, and we can only export our project when we buy the subscription. We can simply export the project by highlighting or pressing Ctrl A on the timeline. Right, click on it and select Compound Clip. Right click it once more and this time choose Reprocess. This will create an MP4 file as if we are exporting the compound clips a while ago. The progress will be shown above. Now, the duration it takes for this progress bar to complete will vary depending on the complexity and length of your specific project. Do note the file name of the project. You can rename it by simply clicking on it and type your file name. I will leave it as it is for now. Once everything is pre-processed, on the taskbar, click on the Start button and type in Run and hit Enter. On that dialog box, type in App Data and click OK. Then double-click the local folder, CapCut, User Data, then scroll down for Projects, go into COM-LV Editor Draft. From here, the project file name was 0525. Let's go inside, locate the resources. Then the last folder is Combination. There will be at least 2 MP4 files. Copy the one without the alpha on the file name. Copy it and paste it somewhere. I will paste this on my documents. Do a right click, then copy. Let's jump into the documents folder and paste this MP4 inside it. Let's check first the details of the exported file, going into the properties and on the details tab of it. Under the video information, it has 1920 by 1080p aspect ratio with 30 FPS on the frame rate, which is decent enough. And finally, let's see the outcome of the exported video file with the applied Pro features. All right, everyone, that's the process. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below how it works out for you.